Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy spike in healthcare sentiment, with a score of plus 0.025 and a momentum of nearly 0.99. This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it's a significant uptick compared to historical averages, indicating a strong positive shift in how people are feeling about healthcare topics. Our API returns real-time sentiment analysis, delivering insights that can help you gauge public opinion and identify emerging trends. For example, you could leverage this data to enhance patient engagement strategies, tailoring your communications based on the current sentiment landscape to better connect with your audience. Ready to dive deeper? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.